they ask us about the turtles and the gator, they actually get along very well together. They have not had any conflicts yet.
Tourism, bringing people into the city to have them come and enjoy the same things that our residents enjoy, especially the birding and seeing nature. We already have Thornby Park and Audubon Nature Park, which are part of this experience.
possibly a fourth bald eagle's nest. I mean, they're just here now. They're a permanent fixture. We hope permanent.
Yeah, forever and ever, amen.
Yeah. And there's an oddity that I've learned about the bald eagles. Most birds in North America, most birds are further north in the summer and come south in the winter. Mm-hmm. Our so-called, what I'll call resident bald eagles are here all year round, except the majority seem to like just disappear in the summer months. They go up north just to be there.
Striking out towards the edges, and they're finding all the food they could possibly want in the form of bird seed and garbage and dog food. And then so they're going out into the neighborhoods, they're getting all the calories, and then they're also going to need a really high quality food environment to raise cubs. And the cover that you're talking about also provides denning habitat. So they need a good thick area of cover where they can have their cubs and raise their cubs. Completely helpless. They're about the size of a soda can. She completely takes care of them in a den, in thick cover. The agency, FWC, has to take some action to keep people safe, and really, most of the time, it really ends unfortunately for bears in that situation. Dogs, though, that's a whole nother subject, because bears and dogs are just natural enemies. They just don't like each other. And so if you're outside and you're walking your dog, you should be alert. The dog should be on a leash.